Hi everyone, we are going to start our meeting, um, Innovation Cloud XDL solution from the question, what is innovation? And from our perspective, innovation is a technology, so it should be new technology like a blockchain or chatbot, and this technology should give out clients competitive advantages. And the last question, why innovation is important. In general, innovation can improve clients' business. Second, innovation can add unique differentiation to client's product. Third, innovation can highlight competitive advantages of client's product, and so on. The motto of our solution is from vision to decision, and it means that our clients can verify how technology is applicable for their business without large investments, since we provide all necessary components and even already ready solutions inside our platform. Usually, innovations has following life cycle: innovation idea, innovation prototype, and innovation product. Let's consider a simple example: blockchain. In general, there are a lot of people who have some understanding of what blockchain is, but it's really complicated to find somebody who has real experience in the blockchain and is able to add blockchain capabilities to your business. Came to us on the first step, user get understanding what is blockchain is. So we will give him real application which work with blockchain, and after this step, user get understanding what blockchain is in general. Second step, user create innovation prototype which will be relevant, which will be correlated with his business. So he can take one of our solution and adopt this solution according to his needs. Also here we can provide experts who will help our clients to adopt this application. And if prototype was successful, the last step, user create a production ready product which uses innovation, in our case blockchain. And of course it's clear that last step in several times more time consuming and more expensive than innovation prototype and even innovation idea step. So now let's talk a little bit more about our platform. What is physical is? So our platform consists of core part and innovation module part. So core part consists of our visual editor, where user create UI for their solution, backend integration part, and our innovation module consists of a lot of different technologies: blockchain, chatbot, voice recognition, predictions, etc. In scope of innovation modules, we offer our own solution. For example, like a chatbot, we provide our solution, and also we provide integration with already existing services. First of all, it's services from Amazon and Google. Okay, it was introduction part, and now let's take a look um, some example. Yeah, there's a client, and client wants to understand is it applicable or not to use blockchain, chatbot, speech to text, and text to speech technologies in his business. And if you remember, the first step is innovation idea. So we provide our client already ready solution which use all of these technologies, and user can start to play with this application immediately. So user open our platform and get application, and everything what is needed for working this application, all backend is already configured, and user can open this application, press test, and is able on the first step to verify how this application works. So let's log in. By the way, I didn't say what this application does. It's application for managing token in Ethereum blockchain. So user is able to see his balance and is able to transfer tokens from his account to another account. On the first step, we have to log in, then get our token balance.
Hello, Smith. How can I help you?
To talk with our chatbot. So right now you had to hear how text-to-speech technology works. Then let's run speech recognition. What is my balance? And now let's send our question to chatbot.
You have 10,541 tokens on your account. Can I help with something else?
So our chatbot understood what we need. On the second step, so our application get information about balance, and the last we hear how text to speech works. Okay, user played with not only such application, with several applications which use this technology, and understood that this technology could be applicable for his business. Second step, user has to understand how this application was created. And we go him step by step and explain everything what was done to create this application. So our application uses a blockchain, and in order to be able to work with a blockchain, it is needed to have a smart contract. So we provide, first of all, compiled smart contract which is already run on public Ethereum blockchain, but also we provide the source code of the smart contract, and not only one smart contract, we provide a list of another the most popular smart contracts, for example for voting, for digital signature, etc. Smart contract looks like this, and user is able to deploy this smart contract in a blockchain. The next step, when smart contract is deployed, we have to somehow get opportunity to work with it, and for that we offer our integration module API Express. So in API Express, user can create a project. So you can consider project as a set of API for some purposes. For our application, project is called Apiary ICO Exchange. And here you can see the list of services. Clients can open any service, and since we are low-code development platform, it's possible to build the server-side logic. You are just drag and drop component and provide corresponding properties for every component. For example, for our Ethereum component, we had to provide server URL, had to provide address of smart contract, API JSON. So API JSON, it's something like a VSDL description in sub services, and then select required method, and all parameters will be loaded automatically. Then map parameters on the flow parameters, and probably that's it. Based on our flow configuration, REST service will be generated, and user will be able to test how the service work from our test page. And then user will be able to integrate this REST service into application. But before do it, let's take a look one more innovation which user wants to use in his application. It is chatbot. So again, everything is very simple. User has already configured chatbot. So for our example, it is called Apiary Tokens chatbot. A user can define entities, so specify the different name, the synonym for example for wallet. Yeah, we can say wallet as a e-purse or digital wallet or electronic purse, etc. And intents, for example, send money intents. We specify the list of phrases which have similar meanings, and also specify the target, such as amount of token and the account to whom we are going to send our token. And of course, our editor. Here we can define the state in which our conversation can be and transition between state, and rule how this transition should be executed. And of course, the functionality of our chatbot also is exposed as a REST service. So we already have integration with the blockchain, we already have integration with chatbot, and now let's take a look how to implement the UI of our application. Open our Visual Editor. And in Pages folder we can see the list of screens of our application. So since this is a very simple application, the number of screens also is 3. Let's open, for example, home page. This is our page where we communicate with the chatbot. And again, we are low-code development platform, and to create UI, everything what is needed, just drag and drop UI component and customize, provide such attributes as a style, icon, text, etc. And provide logic which will be performed on particular event, for example, on click on the button or some events by timer, etc. And to invoke our REST services, for example, blockchain REST services, we have to just to create service. So say that we want to create API Express service, select our project, then select required method and press import, and service will be imported like this. So we can see request, response, we can test service from here. If it's needed to add the integration with the blockchain, again create new, then chatbot service, select our chatbot, and press import. When innovation idea step successfully passed, we can move to the next step, innovation prototype. On this step, our clients together with our expert work out requirements for innovation prototype, and now I can show how such prototype can look. This is a real mobile application which use different technologies, for example, biometric authentication. I used fingerprint, but also it can be Face ID. Again, chatbot technology and voice recognition technology is used in this application, or for example, integration with Apple or Google Wallet. Or showing location on the map, in construction the path for car, for public transport, for bicycle, etc. White labeling, for example. And opportunity to customize UI based on the client, and so on. And again, this application is created totally in our platform, so we can even open and take a look how every screen works. So again, everything is absolutely clear, and even a non-professional developer is able to understand what is going on every screen.